Hello and welcome back. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And I'm talking about the risks for immigrants of applying for a driver's license. And I want you to be aware of it, and please watch this before applying for a driver's license, because for certain people there are risks involved. And I don't want to put you at risk of deportation. I don't want to put you at risk of getting caught by immigration enforcement. And so watch this, please. All right, basically there's three areas where you could be at risk. So if you don't have any of these three areas, don't worry about it, all right? The first is if you've ever been deported in the past, all right? If you've ever been deported, ICE will have a record of you. And while the DMV does not share directly driver's license information with ICE, ICE is a federal agency and they can access the DMV's database. And so just be aware of that. If you've been deported in the past, it can be risky for you to apply for a driver's license. The second area of risk is if you have a criminal record, all right? If you've been arrested, if you've been convicted in the past, it can, even if it's just a DUI that you've been convicted of, it can cause a risk for you to apply for your driver's license, all right? And so just be aware of that. The third is, and this is a little bit trickier and potentially, I'm seeing this only in the state of California, which is where I practice, so I'm not sure if this is true in other states, but it's if you lied to obtain, if there's fraudulent information to obtain a driver's license in the past, all right? So now when you go to apply for a driver's license, even under Real ID or under AB 60, if you're applying for a driver's license and they're comparing the information that they have on you, they're taking your fingerprints, they're seeing your identity documentation, and it like conflicts with information that was provided in the past to obtain a driver's license, it can cause a red flag in your driver's license application. And my understanding is in the state of California is if there was identity theft or if there was the use of someone else's documents for the purpose of obtaining a driver's license for you, they can prosecute you, right? And so there's risk involved there. And of course, a prosecution for identity theft can lead to immigration enforcement also, all right? So just be aware, those three big areas. One, if there's a prior deportation somewhere, even if it was on the border, right? And be careful with that. Some people don't even know if they were deported or not. Like, let's request your records if you have any doubt of that. The second is if there's any criminal record at all. And the third is whether or not there was any fraud, misrepresentation, lies with a prior application for a driver's license. If you're in any of those situations, please talk to an immigration lawyer, all right? Please talk to a professional before going through the process of applying for a driver's license. And again, I'm talking a driver's license under AB 60, right? Or a driver's license under Real ID. Like you really want to get clear on what the risks are of obtaining a driver's license before going through that process. I hope this was helpful. If you're in any of those situations, please contact our office. I'd love to see, let's look at the records and let's really analyze what your risks might be. And let's do that before, again, you apply for a driver's license. Thank you so much for watching this. Please like our video here and please subscribe to our channel. Also, we've got a free guide here for immigrants. It's the Immigrant's Guide to Obtaining Lawful Driver's Licenses in the United States. Absolutely free. Got great information. Please click on the link below and follow through that. I think we need your name and your email in order to download it, maybe your phone number as well, and then you can download this free guide. I'd love to have you do that so you've got all the information you need on how to obtain a driver's license. Thank you so much for watching this. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Thank you.